Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by ensuring the calculator has stable power. Swap in fresh batteries or confirm the solar cell gets light. Once done, remove the protective case and open the battery cover so you can access the device without interruption. Now, with the unit on, press Shift then 9 to pull up the CLR menu. This is the root reset control. Make sure you took note of any stored data, because the next steps will offer options that erase settings. You now choose what to clear. Press 1 to reset only setup, mode/format, 2 to clear user memory, or 3 to perform an all reset that restores factory defaults. Once you press the number for your choice, hit equals to confirm and execute the reset. You should see the display update immediately. If the keys seem unresponsive, make sure the screen isn't frozen. Remove the batteries for about 10 seconds, reseat them, and repeat the Shift plus 9 sequence to try again. Once the reset completes, check crucial settings. Confirm angle mode, DEG versus RAD, number format, and display digits so calculations behave as expected. Make sure to re-enter any user memory items or setup preferences you need. This is why you noted them earlier. If the calculator still behaves oddly after an all reset, perform a hard power cycle by removing all power sources for 30 seconds, then restart. If problems persist, contact service or replace the unit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.